What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing a challenge, and it's not the type of challenge you've probably seen before where there's two photographers shooting one model and you see just the different styles between each photographer. Today we're going to take that the extra step. We're going to have 4 photographers shooting 2 different people. So it'll be myself, Alex, Dan, and Eric. The 4 of us will be shooting our 2 friends, Michelle and Graef. And instead of juxtaposing our 4 different styles of photography, we're actually going to showcase some of the editing side as well. So I'm going to send them my raw files, the photos that I took on my camera. They're going to edit them and send them back, and vice versa. So we're going to all swap photos, and it's going to be this big digital mess, crazy Dropbox folder. So in this video, you'll see one of my photos raw and unprocessed, and then you'll see the 4 different edits that all of my friends did, and myself included, side by side. Really what I'm trying to get at is just how much of photography and just the whole craft of making images is not in actually shooting, but is in the editing process as well. So you can have these same photos, like the same file even, and then just a little bit more tweaking in, the way one person looks at it versus the way that I interpret the image. You can get kind of these different feels. So before we jump in, I want to give a quick introduction. So first up is Eric, who's one of the hardest working new photographers ever. He's been shooting for about a year now. And then there's my friend Dan, who's the ultimate urban explorer extraordinaire from Orange County, going to school in Missoula, Montana. And then we have Alex, who is just the kindest person ever with an extraordinary eye for photography. And then I can't forget the 2 models, of course. We have Michelle and Graef, who both have their own YouTube channel. So I'll link that down below in the description if you want to check that out. Without further ado, let's jump into it. What's up, guys? We're up a little ways on Waterworks Hill here in Missoula, Montana. A very gray and dreary day, might I add. I'm out here with a bunch of friends, and we're shooting a bunch of portraits, actually. Yes! How are the conditions treating you, dude?
Pretty well.
Do you like shooting in this kind of light, or do you like more color? I don't know. What's your thing?
I prefer the dull gray, bleak.
Oh, you do? Okay, cool. So we're done on the hill, and now it's time to head to downtown and try to get some different scenery. All right, looks like the rain might be coming in. Can you stay there? Yeah. This angle makes me look really short. Hey guys, we gotta go downtown quick before the rain gets here. So. Yeah, so we weren't sure if it was gonna be rain or snow, but it looks like Eric was right. You called it, right? Yeah, oh, yeah, it's snow. Here we are in this canopy. We're gonna take more photos.
Look like here, does it?
Climbing this parking garage to try to get sunset. Believe it or not, our gloomy day might have some color in it, so up we go. Look at this. Amazing. It's beautiful. was it. I hope you guys liked that challenge. I thought it was kind of fun. I don't know, something different. And you can kind of see like how different people's styles were and how some were similar and some styles work better for some things and some, I don't know. You guys tell me, what did you think? I'm sure it's kind of hard to see anyways on the mobile device, right? Like all 4 of the photos lined up, but you know, did what we could do. We made the best of it. Yeah, if you liked it, go ahead and like and subscribe and comment and all that BS that people usually say at the end of their videos. So for the outro of the video, I'm just gonna let some of their photos scroll through so you can see more examples of their work. And again, if you wanna find any of these people, links for everything is down below in the description. So until next time, peace.